Prophet Muhammad is the final prophet and messenger of Islam, whom Allah sent as a guide and mercy for all of humanity. He was born in Makkah in the year 570 AD. He belonged to the noble tribe of Quraysh, from the respected clan of Banu Hashim. His father's name was Abdullah, and his mother's name was Amina. Before his birth, his father had already passed away, and at the age of 6, his mother also passed away. After that, his upbringing was taken care of by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, and later by his uncle Abu Talib. Early life. In his youth, Prophet Muhammad demonstrated truthfulness, honesty, and high morals. The people of Makkah used to call him as Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. He adopted the profession of trade and went on business journeys with a respected woman named Khadija, R.A. Impressed by his honesty, Khadija, R.A. proposed marriage, and at the age of 25, he married her. Beginning of prophethood. At the age of 40, he received the first revelation in the cave of Hira. Angel Jibreel, A.S., conveyed Allah's message to him. Thus, he was granted prophethood and began to preach the message of monotheism, justice, mercy, and ethics. He taught that Allah is one, He alone is worthy of worship, and Muhammad is His messenger. He forbade polytheism, oppression, ignorance, usury, lies, and all evil deeds, call in Makkah and hardships. The disbelievers of Makkah rejected his message and inflicted various forms of torture upon him. His followers were persecuted, boycotted, and tortured. Despite all this, he continued his mission with patience, wisdom, and kindness. When the oppression became unbearable, by the command of Allah, he migrated to Medina with his companions. Islamic State in Medina. Upon reaching Medina, he established the first Islamic state based on justice, brotherhood, equality, and mercy. He made treaties with different tribes and religious groups, protected their rights, and formed an ideal society. In Medina, Islam became stronger and its teachings spread rapidly. Character and morals. Prophet Muhammad was not only a prophet but also a great human being, the best husband, a kind father, an honest trader, a successful commander, and a just ruler. He always preached forgiveness, compassion, and patience. On the occasion of the conquest of Makkah, when his enemies were at his mercy, he forgave them and set a supreme example of high character. Final days. During his farewell pilgrimage, Prophet Muhammad delivered a remarkable sermon in which he emphasized humanity, equality, and the rights of people. At the age of 63, he departed from this world, but his teachings and examples continue to guide millions of lives even today. Conclusion. The personality of Prophet Muhammad is a beacon for all of mankind. His life teaches us truthfulness, patience, justice, love, and connection with Allah. His life is a complete code of conduct, and truly, he is mercy to the worlds.